Today's video will blow your mind and it will open your eyes about the law of attraction and why it doesn't work from a standpoint of quantum physics and science. This is the Law of Attraction Self-Experiment YouTube channel, and today's video will make you think totally different about the secret and the law of attraction. First of all, in quantum physics, if you don't know the double slit experiment, please look it up on the internet. It's science, it's proven, and it will blow your mind. But let me just briefly tell you about the experiment. Imagine two slits and you are firing photon particles through those two slits. It creates a wave pattern. Light and photons, it works as a wave. But then, and that is mind-blowing, in fact, if you set up some measuring device, camera who is looking at it, if a human is looking at it, and you fire those photons through those slits, suddenly it changes reality and the wave becomes single particles. So it changes entire science and it does mix up everything. So reality is different when you look at it compared to when you're not looking at it. And that's very important for the law of attraction. So as you want to prove something, it behaves very, very differently. So let's say there are some gurus out there and they tell you the law of attraction works. Maybe it worked for them fine and perfectly. So they want to prove that it works for you as well. You want to prove now that it works for you. Others now want to try it for themselves, and they try and they look so exactly at that experiment of the law of attraction, and suddenly everything changes up and it doesn't work. Now let me go further. It makes now a lot of sense when you think, how could it be possible if some law of attraction mentors just say do this and that, and suddenly person A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the persons out there, let's say 1 million of people, they now own everything, they become rich and it works for everyone. The universe is not like that. For example, Arnold Schwarzenegger, he always seems like he used the law of attraction to get to his spot where he's now actor, he was governor of California, so successful, movie star, actor, Terminator, all those things. So, if it was that easy, I could use the law of attraction just to become exactly like him. But now, here's the proof, that doesn't work at all. Because now, if you want to prove it, it's not a measuring device, but it's kind of a measuring device now, because you want to do the same and others are looking, you are expecting it. It changes reality and it doesn't work anymore. So maybe, and that's just a hypothesis, the law of attraction works if you use it and not realizing you're using it. Something like that, you know what I mean? Because if you look at it, now I'm using the law of attraction, looking with the eyes on the experiment and everything on your affirmations, then everything falls apart. That's my explanation why the law of attraction cannot work, or let's say cannot work all the time for everyone. What do you think about that? Anyone else out there come up with the same solution? Because sometimes I have sleepless nights and I think exactly that what I'm telling you in this video right now. For me, it is 100% proof from the science point that the law of attraction and the secret, the documentary, all these things cannot work. Just cannot work for everyone out there. If so, and I'll leave you with that in this video, let's say we make an experiment and everyone on the planet should do the same affirmations, should put up his and her vision board, should do everything that is required for the law of attraction. Is it possible that there are billions of billionaires and millionaires out there, and even if they could reach it, that everyone is a millionaire and a billionaire, it doesn't make sense, because then all are equal again, and the other one is not a millionaire, the other one is poor, because you know it would screw up the entire planet. So that's the next proof that the law of attraction cannot work, because if it works for everyone, what is the point of it? So thank you so much for watching the Law of Attraction Self-Experiment YouTube channel. Please tell me if you want to see more videos like that, and maybe see you in the next one. Bye.